The Anatolian sun beat down on Dr. Arun Yilmaz as she stared at the pillar emerging from the dust of Göbekli Tepe. It was older than anything else at the site, and its carvings were different. A fox with knowing eyes and a series of precise geometric symbols that felt both alien and hauntingly familiar. A frantic call from her lab broke her trance. Her geochemist, Elias, had made a terrifying discovery. The site wasn't ritually buried over centuries, as they'd believed. The sediment between the oldest layers was deposited in a single catastrophic event, a massive flood, the debris hauled from hundreds of kilometers away. That night, sleepless, Erin analyzed the symbols. She fed them into an old pattern matching program she'd built as a student. The result stole her breath. The symbols were a warning. They charted astronomical cycles and pointed to a date, 12,800 years ago, the start of the Younger Dryas period, a time when a suspected comet impact plunged the warming Earth back into an ice age. The horrifying connections clicked into place. Göbekli Tepe wasn't a temple that sparked civilization. It was a library built to survive its collapse. The survivors of that ancient catastrophe, knowing their world was ending, encoded their knowledge in stone. They buried it deep, not as a ritual, but as preservation, a message in a bottle for a future humanity that would have to start from scratch. The animal carvings weren't gods, they were mnemonics, lessons in survival, catastrophe, and celestial cycles. But when she presented her reset theory to her backers and officials, their excitement turned to fear. They called it dangerous science fiction, a narrative that could rewrite human identity and be co-opted by extremists. They ordered her to stop, threatening her funding and career. Dejected, Erin stood at the edge of the excavation at sunset. The stone rings no longer looked like ruins. They looked like a patient machine, waiting to be restarted. The builders had fought oblivion to deliver their warning. She couldn't stop now.